I'm Zuri, and I'm Associate Product Marketing Manager at Google. I got into digital marketing in an unconventional way. So a part of my story is growing up and not necessarily knowing about digital marketing or marketing as a whole in general. And how I got into it specifically is through an amazing internship with Google, the Bold internship. Before I got into digital marketing, a few of the jobs that I had were not relevant to digital marketing at all. And my first job actually was at Chick-fil-A. In my hometown, I served as a waiter and took orders, served our customers, and made their food and their beverage. And that in itself had a lot of transferable skills to what I see now as a digital marketer, whether it's putting the customer or consumer first, or whether it's managing your time diligently and effectively. At its core, in my opinion, it teaches you how to interact with people. I am confident that if you look hard enough, you can find transferable skills and key characteristics that are transferable to an entry-level digital marketing role. The specific team that I work on within Google Ads is the brand architecture team. We think strategically about what is important to call out in the copy and the text that is in Google Ads. We have to keep in mind the advertiser who will interact and who will see the copy and the text shown within the ads portfolio. As an entry-level marketer, I work with a lot of teams to make sure the customer voice is heard. The majority of my day, I am being resourceful and looking through different documents, different presentations and decks to gather the information that I need to do my job. And that's the first half of it. The second half is pulling that information that I have gathered and going to talk to specific Googlers to ensure that, one, I understand what I read, but also, two, in understanding what I read, that I'm appropriately applying it to the task at hand. And in addition to that, doing different trainings throughout the day and throughout my role that relate to and help me become a better Googler and help me execute my role more effectively. What I like most about working in digital marketing has to be creativity. I'm able to operate as a creative, as a strategic thinker, and also as a problem solver with the end goal in mind of helping and promoting our brand to customers who love and use our products and services. And that's a key characteristic to have as a digital marketer, to know and understand customer behavior, to understand persona, and to be able to play to that. If you work and interact with people, if you promote and spread awareness about a brand or a product, you have a place in digital marketing.